Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will see how we can export or fetch financial data from a very popular website, screener.in. This is a very handy website for analyzing a company and accordingly make our investment decisions. So let's first explore Screener a bit in case someone doesn't know about it. So here's our website. Just type in screener.in and you will get here. This is the basic layout of the website. So here's the option of searching for a company that we want to analyze. So let me search a company by the name of Naveen Fluorine. Okay, so here's the company. Here's some basic data about the company: market cap, stock price upon earning ratio, ROC, current price, high low, operating profit margin, its interest coverage ratio, cash conversion cycle, net profit margin last year. So this is some basic data. Here's the website of the company. Here's some brief description about the company. And if we scroll a little down, we can see the stock price chart of the company. This is the volume. These two are the moving averages. 50 days moving average and 200 days moving average. I can also uncheck them. Okay, if I want to see only the price. So this is for 1 year, this is for 3 years, this is the chart of 5 years price, and this is the maximum chart of the price. And here I can see price upon earning ratio. Okay, now these are some pros positives for the stock, some negatives about the stock. Okay, here comes the peer comparison, comparing the company with its peers, with its competitors. Okay, here's the quarterly results of the company till September 2020. Profit and loss statement. Okay, sales, net profit, and that all. Balance sheet. You can also see the various subheadings under this option. Other liabilities. Okay, fixed assets, other assets. You can see inventories, trade receivables, cash, and these all are available. Cash flow statement also under operating activities, under investing activities. Okay, you can also see ratios: ROC, debtors days, inventory turnover ratio, the shareholding pattern of the company, the documents that the company has filed with respective authorities, annual reports, credit ratings. So this is not our basic motto of exploring the website. Let's come to our main motto. Our main motto is to fetch all this data into our Excel sheet so that it becomes easy for us to work upon that data, to analyze it further, to customize it according to our needs. We can add our own ratios apart from those provided by the screener. So let's see how we can do that. For that, first step would be to type on Google, search on Google, सफल निवेशक Excel template. Okay, and click on the very first link. So here's the website. This website is operated by a very well-known investor, Mr. Vishal Khandelwal. Okay, so here's the template. We have to click on this link, and our Excel template is downloaded. I will click on show in folder. Here's our template. Let me open it. So first click on enable editing. Here's the instructions how we can use this template. so you can read this summary of the company. So here, as a sample, they have provided us with Hero Motocorp, but we want such a system that we type in the company name and we get the Excel related to that stock. So we will see in some time how we can do that also. So here's some basic data about the stock. Here's the checklist made by the Safal Niveshak. Okay, we can create our own, we can customize it according to our needs. Okay, here's the balance sheet, here's the profit and loss, here the cash flow, key ratios, charts, common size statement analysis. Thando, they might have their own valuation parameters, so accordingly they have created other different tabs. Okay, quarters. Now this data sheet is the main. You don't have to make any changes to it, make sure to that. Okay, this is something that is provided by screener.in, and rest what is fed by us only. Okay, customization you can explore it, okay, further. So let's get back to our Google, and let's see how we can create such a Excel that we just type in the stock name and the data is extracted to our Excel. So for that, just type in screener.in slash Excel. Now click on choose file. It may ask you, let me cancel this. It may ask you to log in first by Google, or you can create an own ID. As I've already logged in, so it is directly asking me to choose the file. So I will click on choose file, click on this and click on open. Okay, so my file is selected. Okay, I will have to choose it again, open. Okay, my file is selected. Now I will click on upload. So here comes Excel customization saved. So my Excel is uploaded. I mean, Safal Niveshak's Excel is uploaded. It was a blessing that these kind of websites provide us with these templates, which becomes very handy for us. So let's do for Naveen. Let's see whether our data gets extracted or not in our Excel. So once we get to this window, click on export to Excel, and here our Excel is downloaded. Click on show in folder. We can see Naveen Florin here. Let's open it. uh, Click on enable editing. So the first page is similar as that of Hero Motocorp Excel, and here you can see the name as company name as Naveen Florin International, which means that our data is updated from Hero Motocorp to Naveen Florin. Okay, so you can customize the data accordingly. You can customize this checklist, balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow statement. Here in ratios, you can add your own ratios, your own interpretation. Okay, your own set of formulas, any quantitative analysis you do, so you can add according to your preference. Okay, you can add charts here, common size analysis. Dhando means you can make valuation models according to your preference. Okay, uh, but don't make changes to this data sheet. Remember that. Okay, make changes, save your Excel. Okay, and then upload in same manner as we uploaded the Safal Niveshak's Excel template. So that's it for today. I hope the session was fruitful for you. If it added some value, Please do subscribe my channel for more such videos on Excel, on finance, on coding, and please do like the video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned to my channel for more content. Thank you.